Hi, as part of HackerRank Solutions, we are going to discuss about the given problem. First, try to understand the problem before going to code. Okay. So the problem which they have given is query all columns for the city for a city in city table with the ID is 1661. Okay. 1661. Okay. These are the attributes. So this is similar to previous question only, but there is a bit difference. Query all columns. Okay. So you guys already know how to query for all the columns. We need to use select star from table name. Okay. So this will give all the columns, but with the ID. Okay. With the ID, we need to fetch. So this is where we need to add where clause where ID equal to 1661. Okay. That's it. That's very simple. Just try to run the code. See, if we try to run the code, okay, the test case is passed. Okay, your output. Let's try to submit the code. Okay, it is success. Okay, expected output is this one. Yeah, that's it for this problem, guys. Thanks for watching this.